If your site gets real traffic, hosting error can cost you conversions. Reason 1. Oversold servers mean noisy neighbors and slow page loads. Reason 2. Strict CPU and RAM caps throttle your traffic spikes. Reason 3. Built-in process limits and throttling trigger errors fast. Reason 4. Uptime and TTFB are inconsistent under real peak loads. Reason 5. Support and enterprise features are limited for big sites. Look, a dashboard screenshot showing resource spikes that immediately hit caps. Here's a simple graph. Hostinger dips while scalable hosts stay steady. You will see 502 and 503 error pages when limits are hit. Alternatives: move to cloud or managed hosts built for scale. Top picks: AWS, Google Cloud, Cloudflare, Kinsta, DigitalOcean for scalability. Don't gamble with traffic. Migrate to a scalable host today. Learn more.